Good day guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm showing you how to fix common errors in MT5. So guys, if your application misbehaves, you have issues with maybe placing orders or buying, or maybe have network connection issues, this is actually not that hard to fix. So the first thing guys you want to do is bring up your menu from the top, and instead of, for example, Wi-Fi, if you're using it, try choosing and using your cellular connection, pretty much your mobile internet. That can actually fix issues. And sometimes the servers of MetaTrader 5 are just, messy, and they sometimes restrict you if you're on a certain network. And then the next way to fix this is going to be going into your settings, apps, manage apps, if you're on Android, of course. Then let's find MT5 in here. There you go, MetaTrader 5. And in here, you just want to go ahead and clear the cache like this. And also, if that didn't help, clear all data. And then, of course, you will be logged out from your account, but that's fine. You can just log back in again, but this will reset the app, and that can also potentially fix your issues, guys. So that's pretty much the fixes. Hopefully this helps you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe.